If your sink drain pipe is clogged with mineral deposits, vinegar soak is like the easiest, cheapest fix you can try at home. So, here's the deal. First, you want to get some white vinegar, because it's acidic and great at breaking down those nasty mineral buildups. Heat the vinegar up a bit, but don't boil it. Just warm enough to make it work better. Then, pour the warm vinegar right down the drain and let it sit for at least an hour. If you have time, leaving it overnight works even better. After soaking, flush the drain with hot water to wash away the loosened deposits. You can repeat this process weekly if your water is super hard, which means lots of minerals. To make it more effective, sometimes you can mix vinegar with baking soda before pouring it down. Just be ready for some fizzing action. Also, avoid using harsh chemicals that can mess up your pipes or the environment. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with clogged sink drain pipes caused by mineral deposits is ignoring regular maintenance, which just lets the problem build up way worse over time. Fix that by doing a vinegar soak every 1 to 2 weeks if you notice slow draining. Another common issue is pouring boiling water directly into plastic pipes, which can soften or damage them. Stick to warm vinegar instead. Lastly, some folks try to force the clog out by using a plunger or a drain snake without loosening those mineral deposits first, which can just push things deeper or cause pipe damage. The easy fix? Always start with a gentle vinegar soak before any mechanical methods. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making it easier for everyone to get projects done right.